Zeead Chopper for life. Here is a nice Kawasaki vn800 for my friend Mario. And today hangers, as you can see there. Yeah. And I'm gonna clean it. I did already some, repairs and stuff like that, and now I'm gonna clean it. It's really dirty. Since 3 years I didn't touch it, you know what? Yeah! The engine that was really dirty, look now, look! Yeah! Here's still a little bit of dirt. Yeah, I can clean it. It's showtime. Dear friends, now I'm gonna show you what I did on Mario bike. So, chrome was not the chrome anymore. I added those 2 mirrors. We had only one little one here. Yeah, it's big enough, it's legal, but you had to have 2. Here there was no chrome anymore. Clean it. Speedometer didn't work for a long time, about 5 years, and they changed the speedometer cable. Air cleaner. The exhaust. Here, as you see in the pictures, there was only metal, and I added here the stuff. I cut them myself. I have the silicone. I hope they will be okay. Right. I'm saying to clean the engine, spank the parts, and the rest. Yeah. I fixed the rear brake too. We had no rear brake. And some other stuff. Hope he's gonna enjoy the bike again. Leave to ride, right to leave.